It's a new week. Oh my god, you guys have seen me at my crustiest. How are you guys doing? Oh my god, I had such a good time last night. So me and my friend Tasia went around my friend Johnson's and we just watched Black is King. I've never watched it before. Like, I watched it, but I haven't watched all of it, so it was just so good. I can't believe my birthday's in 19 days. It's crazy. Like, I'm not even sure what I'm gonna do for it really, but yeah. So I'm gonna get up now, and yeah, let's grab something to eat because today is a busy ass day. Morning, I'm eating breakfast. I never have, well, this is my last week. I've been really unhealthy, so I'm not unhealthy, but I've been eating actually really healthy, but I was just in, where was I? I was in Tesco and I had Lucky Charms, so I'm just gonna buy them. But after when I'm going back to the gym on the 2nd, so I'm gonna try and get my stuff together, but I'm not sure what to do about my gym because basically, you know how I moved here, yeah? My gym is nowhere near here. It's like, in basically near the centre of London, but I have a membership anyway there. But you guys know, you see my personal trainer. I'm not sure what to do because do I either go to a closer gym and train with him still, which the nearest one to me would probably be about maybe, oh, this is strong, man. Oh, maybe like 20 minutes. But no, maybe 25 minutes. But I actually have a gym in my building. Well, not in my building, but like a part of my package building. So I'm not sure if that's gonna open this week. But do I go there? But I'm not sure if they have personal trainers or not. And the only thing is, I think I much prefer going to a gym. Actually, I think I might just do both and see how I feel. But I don't know. I like my trainer and stuff, but I just feel like it's not really worth it to travel all that way and spend that money when I've got a gym like 50 seconds away from me. Do you know what I mean? What would you guys do? Let me know in the comments down below. But I don't know, I just feel like the closer my gym is, I really got no excuse, but I've got to go and film this thing and I've got to submit it by 4, which I should have done that on the weekend, but I'm not a last minute person, but when it comes to stuff like that, I know I can do it. It's just like an Instagram video, but yeah, so freaking good. Actually, I haven't even got any Christmas jumpers. I have to change into this. I'm editing this. I'm so annoyed because this is the first time using my laptop. Well, I got my laptop back. Yay, okay. And it's just, I had to take it back. This is the 3rd time. Basically, what happened was, oh my god, like this unit guys needs to go, so don't wash the hair, don't judge me. It basically is just fucking up because it's got a yellow tint on it, so when I'm filming my skin looks really off. So I was like, why does my skin look so off? Like it looked like I had jaundice. That's how crazy it was. So I thought it was my camera, so I kept messing with my camera, but it's actually the screen. I'm just so annoyed, so I need to edit this flipping Revlon thing before, oh, I thought the files are gone there, before 3 o'clock, so I've got an hour. So I'm gonna try and do that, then I've got a call with my management because we're gonna try and do a content calendar, so that should be fun. So yeah, hoping I just do this, guys, because I'm actually really hungry. Ooh. Well, I've actually got some food my friend gave me yesterday, so I'm gonna have that. Okay, so the makeup is off. Oh man, I just hate my unit. Like, I cannot get a new unit at the moment just because my hairdressers could not get any units. So this one looks flipping dead. It's flipping shedding, so like the hairs that fall are going into my eye. It's so mad, but I've got a meeting in like 2 minutes with my manager. I had to do, sorry. I started playing music in my lot, okay, I was like, go berserk. But yeah, I've got a meeting. I had to get a coffee because I feel extra tired today. Probably because I went to see a friend yesterday and like it was quite a far journey. Like I was in a cab for like maybe an hour or so, which is fine, but like plus actually, you know, I ate that food. I think that food's put me into a coma because it's proper carby, but so sometimes guys, I actually don't know how sometimes I actually take myself out of bed and be like, you know what? You gotta get out of bed to do this, because I could honestly just lay down all day and just do I want to be paid for doing nothing. Like, I wish I just was a footballer's wife or something, because I ain't got time. Okay, I gotta go. Look at my fucking face. My skin doesn't look bad. It's just, you know how I told you guys I got laser? Yeah, sorry. I literally just finished one of our manager. We did like a content calendar, and like it went really, really well and stuff. And like, I just gotta step my game up, but. You know what? I'm in a new place, new energy, positivity. I've just been feeling so like, I have no problem motivating myself, but it's just like, I can't even explain it. Like, you know, like Instagram has just been so mad recently. I feel like everyone's been seeing it. And plus, I feel like I need to balance all my social medias, like Instagram, YouTube. I've been loving YouTube, and obviously I feel like I've been consistent with vlogs and videos and stuff, but I also gotta remember like my Instagram and like TikTok and every other social platform. So if you are like wanting to become like a blog or whatever, you just gotta keep that in mind. But yeah, I need to like have things like written down, but I'm also now just trying to cancel. So I've cancelled my council tax in my old place, and I've got to cancel the heat and energy, which I couldn't do because their phone lines are open, which I find so strange, and no one's gotten back to me. But yeah, I'm gonna set up some stuff in my beauty room. I want to try and film some TikToks, but I'll probably check you guys later. This is why I don't wear eyeliner, because when I take it off, yeah, I think people love black eyeliner, but I don't like black eyeliner, because when I take it off, it makes me look even more tired. Like, do you guys like black eyeliner? I don't know, but anyway, I'll check you guys later. Pooh. I be geeking. Breaker silent into pieces. Morning guys, I'm literally just up. How cute is this outfit, by the way? It's from ASOS, not ASOS. We say ASOS here, but I think American people say ASOS, but guys, it's ASOS. But I think it's just your accents. I'm currently making this breakfast. Hold on, let me put you guys down because my ass is gonna end up flipping this oil in my damn eye. Hold on, you guys see me? Hold on, why is that covering the shadow? Why is it shadowy? Okay, so yeah, I'm just making this, and then, oh fuck, what the? Ah! Oh my god, does that look good? Okay, I think I'm doing something wrong. Here it is here. Want some? Take it, sis. Imagine how mad would it? How mad would technology be? Yeah, if like you could like taste something or smell it. Would that not be? It's a bit satanic though for me, but you want some, child? Okay, I'm gonna eat this and get ready to film. Check in with you guys later. Period. What up, guys? So guess which bitch is doing Vlogmas? Well, don't hold me to it. My girl Terracotta Kim is the one that influenced me. I wasn't gonna do it because I even tweeted this morning, yeah, who is doing, oh, my lashes don't answer. I even tweeted, yeah, who is doing Vlogmas, and my friend Mariam Musa, she said she's doing it, and then someone else is doing it as well. So I was just like, who can upload a video every day? But I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it every day. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do that. So I'm gonna try and do my best, because I'm already doing something on Instagram which is like 12 days anyway. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, it's at ThePlasticBoy. And I'm doing like a 12-day competition where you can win prizes every single day. So I might incorporate this into my Vlogmas. So, because I ain't got time to be doing 2 sets of giveaways on Instagram and YouTube. I ain't built like that. But if you want to win a giveaway on my Instagram, definitely go over there and join in on the action. Okay, so I literally done this look. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. It's kind of like a green look. It's kind of come off now because because I was eating and stuff. But I'm looking for a Christmas tree because I definitely want to get a Christmas tree. No. So I'm literally on, let me show you. What? I'm literally on Selfridges. Excuse me. Why is that £800? Can you see that? Why is a Christmas tree more than a holiday to Florida? Doesn't make any sense. So I'm gonna try this, but you know what? This year has been mad. Why not just try something out? I'm not sure how this is gonna work though, because if I do Vlogmas, do I do ordinary vlogs though? I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm gonna try and order a tree. If not, I might try and go. I think there's places you can actually buy them, but actually maybe not. Anyway, I'm gonna try and order one right. So I literally haven't moved. I've literally just been Christmas shopping and just trying to, my lashes look so crazy. These are my lashes, by the way, I'm bad and bougie. So as I said before, you guys can join in on the giveaway on, on my YouTube. But yes, I can't believe I've been doing Vlogmas. I'm so scared. Obviously, my channel is nowhere near big, but I was gonna try and do it anyway. I'm gonna show you some favorite things that I've gotten in PR anyway, just so you guys can see, to get some Christmas ideas, because if you are in the UK, I've got some stuff from Boots and stuff, and if you are from the US, I'm sure these things will be available there. Okay, so I'm sat down. I'm in like a different place now because I had to get all my PR out of here. I'm just gonna show you some stuff, but I'm gonna be doing giveaways again. I was gonna do giveaways in here, but I think doing giveaways on Instagram and on YouTube is kind of a lot, but it's fine, we move. So this is from I actually haven't even looked at this. Set is banging. I'm never gonna keep this for myself. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury, what's this called, Magic Skincare Secrets little treat. This is so nice. If you guys have not tried this, banging. It's okay. Yeah, just these two that are banging. I've used these two, but they're okay. Maybe I didn't use them right, but this is such a good set. But I do have backups to these, so I'm gonna include that in my Instagram giveaway. Oh, it looks like the bronzer. Oh, it's a highlight. Look at that. That is so freaking pretty. Oh, Charlotte is going in. So again, these are probably gonna be added to my Instagram giveaway, 12 days of Christmas. I'll probably do one on here as well. Actually, I'm not sure how I'm gonna do. I'm not sure how, because my ass is, why did I think I've seen this palette? It's freaking gorge. Freaking gorge. Ooh, again, I feel bad. I can't give away everything she's gifted me, so I might try and look with this palette, but again, I've actually got a lot of Charlotte Tilbury, which I actually have double. Ooh, I'm not gonna take it out because it's long. So there's some lipsticks over. These look very nude actually. They look really nice. Child, let me just open it. This is pretty. I love the. Oh, that's obviously not. Somebody see that? Ooh. Oh. These are cute. Very nice. Oh, I feel like Christmas though can be very over blood clot whelming. Like for me, I can only imagine for like consumers and stuff how crazy it is. From MAC, which I will be giving this away just because I have every single product. So this is, if you are from the UK, you can get this at Boots, and I believe it is £35, but everything in here is worth 80. You get a Fix Plus full one, you get a strobe cream, which is a mini one, Velvet Teddy lipstick or eyeshadow, and you get an extreme mascara. Oh my god, these are already tired. My ass is already tired. So, Tom Ford, it's just a Christmas set. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm not even gonna spray that because I've already got one already. This, no, this. Ombre leather, I put this in my my fragrance collection. Bangin'. Bang, 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 bang again. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna show you from Christmas because it's gonna be too much. I wanna take off this makeup and get ready to go to bed because I'm so knackered. The UK come out of lockdown tomorrow, which I'm so excited for. And yeah. So, and plus I get to return to the gym, so this body is gonna be all that. Okay, so it might be like super echo in here, but I'm gonna take off my makeup, get ready for bed, because everyone keeps talking about The Undoing, and me and my friend Natasha were speaking about it, being like, okay, we need to watch it right now. So I think we can watch it on Now TV, so I'm gonna get ready. I feel like I'm back at Turkey doing my skincare routine again. Yeah, so I'm gonna use, I love this. This is by Glow Recipe. This is the papaya enzyme. Oh my God, can you guys see? Oh, sorry, because my unit is legit doing a complete madness. So I need to get it changed. So if I kind of step out, don't worry about that. Oh, this feeling feels so weird. So what I'll do is I'll then take a face halo. I actually hate the white ones because they make me feel, not dirty, but they get really, really dirty. But they do a black one, which is amazing. Ooh, oh my God. To take my lenses out, so this is almost actually finished. This cleanser is amazing. It's the Elemis Pro Collagen Energizing Cleanser. I think I've used this before in my vlog. You just make sure you do this for like 60 seconds. I'll break it out there. No, I don't think so. I'm gonna go in with the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Mask. This mask is so bomb. It actually looks very, very matte. I always get confused how you apply it. One sec. How do you apply this mask? Is this the right way? Wait. Oh. 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 Guys, I'm about to tune into The Undoing. Well, I need to sign up for Now TV, and then I need to get some work done for tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm not sure how much of this vlogmas I'm gonna be able to do, but I'm gonna try my best for you guys, just because you know what, life is short and who knows what might happen next year, you know what I mean? So why not try it now? Period. Love you guys.